phone over here, iPhone C, we're gonna do a challenge called Fidget Spinner versus iPhone 5C, I guess. Yeah, it is. So yeah, this is my brother's phone. I think my brother's gonna be angry. So yeah, this is here, his phone. So Nashua, can I do with your phone?
Yes.
Okay, are you ready? Are you ready? I hope he don't get mad. Cause yeah. Or maybe that phone, but nope. That phone, that one my sister gonna scold me. Not a big sister, Isa. So hope you guys see it. I think you guys see it. Ready? We're gonna do like certain heights. So this is this height. Oh my gosh. Okay. I think this is not a really smartest idea, but never mind. Okay, let's just put here. Now let's go to this side. Oh my goodness! Oh no! My Fidget Spinner just went back inside. Okay, my hand is long enough to catch it. Okay, let's see, is it alive? It totally is. Okay, so let's put here again. Let's just put here. Okay, let's just ready. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh gosh! Still survive! Oh my goodness! Yeah, it still survived. Look at this.
Still survive.
Except for this, I don't know if he color. Yeah, he color. Look at this. I erased it already. Okay, let's do the very maximum height I'm gonna do. He's gonna be.
phone.
Yeah, this is Nashuhak's phone. Sorry, if it's pink, but pink is just a color. Okay, it's just a color. It's okay. Pink is nice. So let's put here. More. Ready? 3, 2, 1. My Fidget Spinner broke, not your phone.
Look at this.
Guys, it still survived. My Fidget Spinner just broke. The bearing just opened. And look at the phone. It still survived, guys. Look at this. Nothing. I don't know if it's amazing. No. This bearing is open. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I can't believe iPhone 5 is amazing.
Oh my god.
The camera I'm recording is iPhone 6 and I know it's stronger.
I know.
But let's do the maximum height. Nashua, jangan. Do the maximum height ever. So I know it's not even the greatest idea. Okay, let's go here, shall we? Oh, this is gonna be dangerous. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Look at this.
Nothing again.
Look at this. Nothing.
Look, my bearing just opened again.
Look at this. Look at this.
So this is glow in the dark. I think you guys know. So yeah, look at this. It survived. So congrats to Nashuak's phone. So yeah, I don't think I can do my sister's phone, Akila's phone. So because my sister's gonna phone. And it's different. It's iPhone 5 something. It's more newer than iPhone 6. I'm surprised. But it's okay. I'm not gonna do it because iPhone SE does not exist. Must to have the number. I think. But never mind. So thanks for watching. If you like it, please like the button. And I'm so surprised that
Push the bell from musically and then
who follow me at Musically and
push the button.
have a free bell. Okay, or who subscribe me have a free bell. But I don't know who's gonna subscribe me. So yeah, stop. So yeah. Thanks for watching. I'm so surprised that my Fidget Spinner is broken, not mine. Not Nashuak's phone. Look at it. It survived. Look at this. Amazing food. I wish I had a phone like you. And fidget spinner, you didn't do very well today, guys. So never mind. At least you try fidget spinner.
Ya, prata.
So yeah. Bye.
Prata.
Yay. Okay, let's just snap together like this. Wow, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, let's just spin it. Yeah, that's for watching. Bye.